So yesterday marked my 100th video on YouTube. So yesterday it marked my 100th video on YouTube, and I have 62 subscribers. Yay, yay. I know it's amazing, and I'll keep doing it. It's for fun. Today I basically revised what I did yesterday. I went over the notes I wrote in Obsidian, and I just revised them. And after that I read about inner HTML and text content, and I was just reading the differences between them. Inner HTML will convert basically whatever you pass as a JavaScript string inside the JavaScript string, whatever HTML elements you pass. Inner HTML will convert into DOM nodes, and wherein text content will only create text nodes. So that I learned today. Document.write can also be used to do that, which is not typically used right now. Inner HTML and text content is used. Also, inner HTML is a heavy operation, so it is not. It can be used based on use cases, but if it is only for the text node, it is uh, better to use text nodes itself. There are multiple methods to get elements from the DOM, or like get the values, or like get the HTML or anything like that, which is inner HTML, outer HTML, text content, inner text, outer text. So these methods you can use to like uh, get the DOM element from the DOM in a JavaScript form string. So yeah, that is it. So text content, inner text and outer text are mostly the same. Other methods to append nodes, which can be achieved by append child or insert before, depending upon the use case. So so this part was not a bit clear for me. So when I read it, it became a little bit more clear. How does append child work? So append child will append to the end of the childs. So basically, if there are multiple children, it will append to the end. So it will reach at the last word. If there are multiple list element, it will be at the bottom. And if we want to put at a specific location, then we can use insert before. Insert before, if you want to put an element in a specific location, and it can be achieved by passing two arguments. First is the element that you want to pass, and the second one is the reference to the element you want to pass before, right? Multi-step process. So removing a node is a multi-step process. So first you get the node that you want to remove, then you have to use the parent node method to get the instance of child node and then remove it. So it's like that. So we'll use remove child and remove child under the parent node method, and then we can remove it. And similar is for replace the child. We still have to use parent node method. The parent node method, not parent node method, but parent node object, which has a method called replace child, uh, which can be used to remove or replace the child. Oh yeah, this was very interesting to me. So when a node is removed from the DOM tree, it is not actually removed from the memory. Its reference is still in the memory, but it is just not in the tree, which is quite interesting. Like I wonder. So you can also clone nodes by using clone node methods. Clone node method. So you can clone nodes using clone node method. So first you have to select the element or node that you want to clone and run clone node method on it. So yeah, that is also there. So there were some things written in the book which I was pretty confused about. What does this thing mean? So I don't understand this part yet. So the statement was written in the book saying you might think that cloning a node and its children using clone node in bracket true would return a node list, but in fact it does not. So I don't understand this part yet. Uh, I'll probably need to understand what node list is. So after that I can probably understand a little bit better what this sentence meant. And another thing, while cloning, any event handler or anything up that is on the node is lost. Only thing that is copied is the attributes that are on the node that we want to copy, or the copied element, right? So basically, everything other than attributes are lost. There was another topic called grokking node collection, which pretty much went over my head. I don't know what is meant by node collections or HTML collections, so I need to tangent from here a bit and understand what HTML collection or node list is. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. Apart from that, yeah, daily updates are going good. I'm uploading daily. I'm from a, I guess, the generation who has learned React first and JavaScript and HTML later. So all these DOM APIs are very not new. I knew about them, but it's like I have never used them. Since I directly started using React, I never really explored DOM API, which I'm getting chance to do now. Hopefully, I will later on build a project that is solely built in vanilla JS, and it will be easier. Like I want to build a reactive website built with just vanilla JS. So hopefully, after learning this book, it will give me a more deep dive into how HTML truly works, and so on and so forth. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, well, hope to have a very good understanding of how HTML works internally, DOM works internally, how does the node tree handles methods and everything. So, yeah. Apart from that, daily update going good.